We've all done it. Deleted a photo, a contact, a message or a document from our phone, only to realise that we deleted the wrong file. It's a horrible sinking feeling. It could have been a huge presentation that you've been working on all week, and then with one simple wrong click of a mouse, it's all gone, it's vanished, it's wasted. You'll have to start all over again. Or what about that note that you know you made years ago and you saved it to iCloud, but no matter how hard you look, you can't find it anywhere? Well, all of this data, all of it can now be recovered because of one powerful app, and it's from Wondershare. They spent ages improving on what was already a brilliant app with the latest 13.9 version of it. They've been working hard to make data recovery simpler, more robust, and even more comprehensive. You're probably aware that you can use this app for things like device backup, WhatsApp transfers, full system repairs, or even file transfer between iOS and Android devices. But now, Wondershare has focused on optimizing the iCloud backup recovery side of this powerful app. As we'll see, you're in complete and granular control of what you want to recover, including notes, keynote, numbers files, and photos. Whilst I'm not going to claim it's 100% infallible, it's never let me down so far. In this latest version of the app, I'll show you how simple it is to recover any of your iCloud data, even files that you thought may have been lost for good. After you've downloaded, installed the app, and created an account, all you need to do to get going is to connect your iPhone to your Mac. And just a bit of advice here, make sure that your phone's unlocked throughout the entire process. Then choose the data recovery option, and then as iPhone users, we click on the recover from iOS devices. And then from the next window, we click the recover data from the newly improved iCloud option. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you have to log in to your iCloud account. And as is normal, whenever you log into your iCloud account, you'll get an email warning you, telling you that your account's been logged into. And then those verification codes start coming through to your phone. Enter the code, and believe it or not, you're more or less done. The next screen you'll see will be the page that shows you what kind of files you can recover. In my instance, as you can see, I could choose to recover photos, contacts, notes and attachments, calendar, or reminder files. I'm a big user of the Notes app, so I wanted to see what this app could do for me. And look at this. It managed to find notes that I deleted from as long ago as 2019. That's 7 years ago. Apart from how powerful this app is, I love it because it's so easy to use. As you've seen, all it takes is one cable and a few clicks, and then you can recover precious data that you thought was gone forever. Of course, when you get this app, it does way more than just recover data from iCloud. You can also recover data from an iOS device, from Apple Music, and even your password manager. In the latest version of the app, there's also this new virtual location feature, which allows you to change the location of any of your devices, plus all the other great features you've learned to love about this awesome app over the years, such as device backup, the Heath converter, and the data eraser feature. So whether you need to transfer and repair, bypass activation lock devices, or recover lost data as we've just done, then this app's for you. There's all manner of different plans you can choose from at every price point, whether you're an individual or part of a business team. Wondershare has you covered. And one last point I wanted to make was that even though I've only shown you this app running on macOS with iPhones, don't forget all of these features work just as well with Windows PCs and Android devices. It's a slightly different procedure, but it does essentially the same job. Try out this latest version of the app from Wondershare for yourself right now and let me know how you get on with this fantastic app.